Good afternoon. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session with the Honorable Tenisha Yancey presiding. While court is in session, there will be no talking, sleeping, lying down, driving, no wearing of any head garments unless it's for religious purposes only, no chewing of any gum or reading of any material, and you must be properly dressed when the judge asks you to turn on your cameras. Good afternoon again, Your Honor.
Good afternoon again, and good afternoon to all of you.
Okay, and are we ready to proceed on Jaleesa Baker?
When she asks if you're ready to proceed, please turn your cameras on, be seated, and ready to proceed with your matter.
Ms. Baker?
Hi, I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yes, this is the People versus Jaleesa Baker, ticket number SP 1424641, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 3, operator with no license. Today's date and time is scheduled for a show cause hearing. Appearances for the record, please, starting with the attorney.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Ms. Jaleesa Baker. Your Honor, I did see proof of valid registration, insurance, and a driver's license. I asked your clerk to confirm, is her license valid?
Yes, it is.
So at this time, Your Honor, I'm going to ask the court to dismiss these 3 tickets for valid documentation.
The court will acknowledge that an officer of the court has verified registration and insurance. The court has verified a valid driver's license. Therefore, these matters will be dismissed without prejudice. Please make sure you're keeping the documents in the vehicle with you at all times, ma'am.
Okay, will do.
You're free to go. That concludes your matter.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
And are we ready for Bryson?
Yes,
Bryson. This is the People versus Bryson Ballard, ticket number SP 14721. 421, count 1. I'm sorry, scratch that. I'm gonna repeat that. I'm getting the numbers mixed up. Okay, ticket number SP 14721, count 1, expired plates, count 2, unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, please, starting with the attorney.
yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Bryson Ballard. Mr. Ballard, can you please identify yourself for the record, please?
Bryson Ballard here.
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to review Mr. Ballard's documentation. He presented proof of valid registration insurance for the motor vehicle. We're asking that the matters be dismissed for valid documentation. We'll stipulate to probable cause.
Thank you. My grandson's name is Bryson. That's not why I'm going to dismiss your matters, though. I'm going to dismiss your matters since the officer of the court has verified that you do, in fact, have valid documents. Your matter will be dismissed without prejudice. Make sure, though, that you're keeping the documents in the vehicle with you at all times.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
So,
Okay, is it Dalen? Am I pronouncing your name right, Mr. Banks? Dalen? Dalen? Mr. Banks?
Yeah, that's correct.
Dalen?
Dalen, yes, ma'am.
Or Dalen? It was Dalen. Okay. This is the People versus Dalen Banks, ticket number SP 1460001. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, improper equipment. Appearances for the record, please, starting with the attorney.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. Banks. Mr. Banks, state your name for the record, please.
Dalen Banks.
Judge, these matters are to be set for a pretrial date. I don't know why Mr. Banks is on the record.
Oh, okay. Okay.
What
Mr.
date?
Banks, go.
What date did we give him, or did we already give him a date?
It's August 21st at 8:30 in the morning.
Mr. Banks, you're free to go.
Thank
We'll
you.
see you August 21st, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Celine, is it Celine Banks?
Selena.
Selena, it is Selena, okay. This is the People versus Selena Banks, ticket number SP 147-21401. Count 1, unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count 2, expired plates. Appearances for the record, please, starting with the attorney.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Selena Banks. Ms. Banks, please state your name for the record, please.
Selena Banks.
Your Honor, Ms. Banks sent me proof of valid insurance and registration for a motor vehicle. Based on valid documentation, we're requesting a dismissal. We'll stipulate to probable cause.
The court will acknowledge that an officer of the court has verified valid documents. Therefore, these matters will be dismissed without prejudice. You are free to go. Make sure you're keeping them in the vehicle with you at all times.
Thank you.
Okay, now is her name Sherlina? Okay, I need for you to unmute, ma'am. Tell me your name.
Yes, ma'am. It's Selena.
Sherlina? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
I am not good with names. All
That's
right.
okay. I just thought it was funny that it was Selena and Selena at the same time.
Okay, Shirley. All right, this is the People versus Sherlina Borden.
Borden.
Ticket number,
Borden.
ticket number SP 145878111. No insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, expired plates. Appearances for the record, please, starting with the attorney.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Ms. Borden. Ms. Borden, please state your name for the record, please.
Sherlina Borden. I'm
Your
here.
Honor, I'm reviewing a valid registration for a 2013 Chrysler in Ms. Borden's name, along with the accompanying insurance, which does not expire till next year. Based
I do
on
apologize. I'm sorry. I don't mean to interrupt. Sorry, Miss Melinda, but she has account 2. That's right now, that's in default. And I don't know why it's in default, because it should have followed along with these other tickets. So we're gonna have to give her a new date as well.
Oh, I'm sorry. What's count 2?
And it's disregarding a traffic control device.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
Oh,
you don't want the points. You don't want the points, Miss.
No, ma'am, I don't. And he
So I don't
already
know.
had told me that I had a point. I'm sorry, and I'm confused on how I got that. So I don't want
Well,
another point.
Right. So maybe if you come back. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
It'll be,
So,
hold on.
so do I still have driver's license?
You still have your driver's license. Yes, you do.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, you probably have a point because of this ticket, because it went into default. Which I don't know why it went, yeah. So, but we can remove it and get the point off when you do come back for your next date, okay? That'll be
Yes,
August the
ma'am.
21st. It'll be August 21st, okay?
Okay. The same Zoom number and everything?
Yes, just at 8:30 in the morning.
Okay, I heard that one. Okay, thank you, everybody. Thank you, Miss Melinda.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Bye-bye. You too.
Is that it, ladies?
That is.